channel. My name is Caviarkezzy. Today I have an unboxing, initial review. This is a wig that I bought on Aliexpress. So this hair is from FashionWig Store. I ordered it from Aliexpress. It is a human hair wig and it's called a pink blonde color. So it's a really nice corally, rosy, dusty rose kind of a pink. It's a closure wig, so the lace is from here to here. I believe it was a 4x4 closure wig, yeah, and it is Brazilian straight. It's classified as bob human hair wig. I'm gonna show you guys what the picture looks like. I paid $111 Canadian for this 20-inch wig. With just some conditioner, so there's no other product in it. It's very soft. I've had the wig for about 2 or 3 weeks now and I've worn it. There's very little shedding. The lace is pretty light, so I would say it's about an HD lace. It's a very light color, so once you put a ball cap underneath, or if you do the method that I did, which is I stitched a ball cap just where the closure is underneath, so the lace can look more realistic. I did pluck the hairline just a little bit, and I also just swooped my baby hairs, but as you can see right here, you can see where the weft starts, so that's, you just have to make sure that that's covered. But I paid you guys $111 for a 20-inch human hair wig, and if you guys know, to get a hair wig with this color, like light colors, 613 or any other color, it's very expensive. So that was really impressive. I thought, like, you know, it's a good deal, let me try it out. So the price conversion would be definitely around $70 or $80 US. It's really soft. It's obviously Remy hair, so you know when you're buying cheap hair what to expect, but for cheap hair, I'm pretty impressed. The only thing is that you're going to have to deal with is the shipping time. Unless you want to pay more money for shipping, it does take about a month to get to you. So that is why it's so affordable. But for me, I like to believe that good things come to those who wait. I am loving this hair. I'm pretty impressed with it. I like how it dries wavy like this. It does straighten because obviously when I received it, it was straight. Now, I do want to talk about a few things that I had to do to this wig to just make it lay nicely on my head. Some people might think that that's super tedious or too much work, but if you want something to look as realistic and if you're paying a lot less for what you would normally pay more for, you might have to put in some work. So for me, I had to cut the actual wig in half, and I sewed it to make it smaller because it was fitting very loose on my head. It's mainly for people that have a lot of hair. So there was a lot of space in the back. So if you guys are wondering, like, would it be too small? It was definitely too big for me. So I cut the weft and I stitched to make it smaller, and I had another piece of weft that I had left over, so I just basically applied it here because I noticed that the lace from that spot was kind of showing through. It's sewn onto like a black cap, so it's kind of noticeable at some points if the tracks aren't laying where they're supposed to lay. But other than that, it's really soft. I can run my hands through it. There is some shedding. There's one hair there, but I'm not mad at it. Like, that's all I got up of the lace. I want to show you guys what it looks like when it's straightened, so I'm gonna fast forward and come back when it's blow dried and straightened for you guys. straight. You can see there's nice luster to it. Now I'm gonna do the other side. So I wanted to show you guys the comparison of the curly state and the straightened state. This is not even with a straightening iron, this is just blow drying. But we're gonna go ahead and fast forward and you can watch me straighten it. So now I'm gonna get the straightener and just run through it really lightly because it's already pretty straight. But just to add that extra, you know, that little extra something. Go on big sections. The hair is already pretty straight. Doesn't need all of that extra stuff. You know, the back's always hard to do, and you look at the back and it's all like wavy. You think it's like bone straight. That might happen today, and if it does, don't come for me. You can see I can run my hands through the hair very nicely, very easily. Spray. Isn't she gorgeous? $100, you guys. $100. Look at that. Look at that. I'm impressed. This is definitely caviar approved. I recommend getting this hair. You cannot go wrong. Like I said, good things come to those who wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful or informative. If you did, give me a thumbs up down below, and until next time, peace.